You know, as I was sitting there, a thought passed through my mind, and I got to share it with myself and you. Myself first, you, our viewers on Alhikmat TV worldwide, Facebook, YouTube, all the people throughout the world who view Alhikmat TV and who view us, many thousands of people throughout the world, mashallah. Sometimes I wonder, you know, I really don't, we have spoken so much about characteristics and good mannerism that I wish I don't have to continue that topic. But every time you see things, you hear things, it comes back to our minds. So I was sitting there and I recall, sometimes Muslims pass each other's on the road, whether walking, on a bicycle, or driving. And we don't even say Assalamu alaikum. Well, you're probably wondering if you sit in your nice motor cars and the glass is up, how you're going to say Assalamu alaikum, the other person won't hear. But the car has a horn, right? You know, already some of us don't look like Muslims. We don't have a beard, we don't dress Muslim. We don't look like Muslims. Well, at least do something like a Muslim, right? Oh, pop the horn, hello to another Muslim brother. People pass people, they know. And I mean they know. I'm not talking about somebody you don't know. So you don't see a sign and you don't know them. Well, that's you don't know, so you can't. Because you might pop to the wrong person in there, harassment. But a Muslim you know, you're running face to face with them, stop at the traffic lights, and you would not even, Assalamu alaikum, show a sign of good mannerism. Our Prophet, peace be upon him, do you know what is the sunnah of greeting another person? The Prophet ﷺ says, if you greet a person, and then you walk past and a wall comes between you, a pillar, and you see the person again, you should greet them. Subhanallah.